garden salad with homemade dressing, shrimp noodles recipe. Ready to cook something delicious for lunch? In this video, we'll start with a fresh garden salad topped with a set homemade dressing, followed by mouth-watering shrimps, noodles that are packed with flavor. Follow this step-by-step guide to make your lunch special, perfect for food lovers who crave simplicity and taste. Hi everyone, welcome back today we are making a delicious and easy lunch recipe that's perfect for anyone craving a fresh and tasty meal. First, we will whip up a crispy garden salad with a homemade dressing, and then we'll move on to a flavorful of shrimp noodles. Let's dive in. So as I sort out the salad and cutting them into small pieces where they will be good just to put in your mouth, and after this I'm going to wash the salad really nicely and clean. That way I set it aside for it to be ready when I'm ready to mix it together with the dressing, which will be making it from scratch. Here in my kitchen, I always make my own dressing with my own recipe. If you want to know more recipes or to learn more recipes, just comment down below and I will make some recipes for dressing for salad that you might enjoy each every day for your family. So let's move to the kitchen. On the pan, I heated it so it's hot enough. I chopped some onions and I'm going to cook them, frying them really well. After that, I'm going to add the shrimp, which I will make sure that I will just cook them shortly both sides before I mix my pesto, which I also make by myself in the kitchen. If you love to know how to make the pesto, which is delicious, you can add in any kind of your food, just comment down below and I will make a video about how to make the pesto step by step, and it's so delicious. You can put it in any kind of food in the kitchen and you don't need to buy it or go anywhere. I'm sure when you test this one you will never want to go back for any other. So as I cook my shrimp, so slowly I just turn them the other side, that way they can be cooked as well, and then we proceed with our amazing recipe, which is really quick and easy for any kind of family who want just to have a quick meal and without even wasting time, so much time in the kitchen, and it's so delicious. So let's continue. Well, do this. So this is my pesto. I always make it from scratch. and then after that I'm adding the shrimp with the sauce, which is looking so amazing and delicious. Yeah, and it's really tasty. If you haven't tried this, try this. I'm sure you will really love it. I love to call it shrimp Noodles. Instead of bolognese, this is shrimp Noodles. That's what I call it, and yeah, it's so tasty. So now after this, I'm just going to just decorate it a little bit with some petersilie, and then yes, we are ready to eat. How do you think? I mean, what do you think, guys? Let me know your comments down below. How do you find this recipe? Would you like to try it? Comment down below